Did you know that if the global population reaches 9.8 billion by 2050, we will need almost 3 planets worth of resources to sustain our current lifestyle? The good news is Sustainable Development Goal 12 holds the blueprint to change that. Myself, Vasika Afro Sneha. I finished my higher secondary education from Chattogram Cantonment Public College. Now let's talk about how we can consume smarter, waste less, and save our planet by striving for zero unaccountable consumption. Now that we understand about the importance of SDG 12, let's see what are the root causes of unaccountable consumption. First of all, overconsumption. Humans are consuming 1.7 times more resources than our Earth can regenerate in a year. Secondly, the throwaway culture. The fast fashion industry produces 92 million waste annually, most of which ends up in landfills. Next comes food waste. Roughly 1.3 billion food is wasted every year, which contributes to 8 to 10% of greenhouse emissions. Lastly, let's talk about global inequalities in consumption. High-income countries, which make up 16% of the world's population, conquer nearly 80% of Earth's resources. Meanwhile, the poorer nation bears the brunt of environmental degradation and scarcity of resources. It's clear that our current consumption patterns are unaccountable. Now let's explore effective solutions to promote reasonable consumptions. To reduce wastage of food, better transportation and storage should be ensured so that overconsumption does not happen. Next, we can ensure policies that encourages efficient use of resources. Again, accountable lifestyle should be given importance. Before buying something, one should follow 5 R's that will lead us to achieve zero unaccountable consumption. Number 1, refuse. Do I really need this? Number 2, reduce. Do I need this much? Number 3, reuse. Will I be able to use it later? Number 4, repurpose. Will I be able to use it for another purpose? And number 5, recycle. Will I be able to use this material for something else? Small action can create huge impact. For instance, switching off the light while leaving the room, closing the washer tap after using. This seems minor, but when practiced collectively, this brings a significant difference. After all, it's the small drops of water that makes the vast ocean. So are you ready to embrace these small changes and contribute to a better sustainable future? Remember, every step you take brings us closer to achieve our goal of zero unaccountable consumptions.